Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mammee Bay, St. Anne on the north coast of Jamaica, and we're giving you an update on the Emerald Roaring River development. Now this is a development that China Harbour Engineering Company is doing in Mammee Bay. It was known as the CHEC Mammee Bay development or the CHEC Roaring River development, but they have officially given a name to phase 1, which is Emerald Roaring River. Now, as you can see, they have started, and this is a massive development. It's going to be 740 acres. It's going to involve over 800 homes, and it is in one of the best locations you can find on the north coast in Mammee Bay. Mammee Bay is between Ocho Rios and Draxall, two of the hottest areas on the north coast. Actually, Draxall is the fastest growing community in Jamaica, and the north coast is where you find the hottest has the hottest real estate market now. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. Now, this is the first of 6 developments. This development, phase 1, is to be finished by 2026. Now, this land is prime real estate. It was given to China Harbour Engineering Company as part of the payment package for building Highway 2000. As a matter of fact, CHEC specifically asked for this land, and that's why they're doing the development. They own the development. They are not just the contractor, they are the developer as well. And this kind of success that China Harbour Engineering Company has had in Jamaica has opened the doors for other major contractors to come to Jamaica. Some of the largest contractors in the world, actually the largest and second largest contractors in the world, both Chinese contractors, are coming to Jamaica. One is going to be working on the railway, and the other one is going to be doing developments like what China Harbour Engineering Company does. So you could say this land was given to CHEC as an incentive for them to come to Jamaica and start working. And it has opened the doors for other contractors to come to Jamaica. Now, phase 1 is sold out, but we are going to put up the contact information for this development because a lot of people have been asking, and you can call, and they have a WhatsApp group you can join so you can stay informed for, or maybe more units will become available in phase 1, but for the other phases as well. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. The China Harbour Engineering Company Roaring River development in Mammee Bay, St. Anne is one of the most ambitious residential projects in Jamaica's recent history. Spanning approximately 740 acres of prime coastal real estate, the project seems to transform a historically and environmentally significant area into a modern residential and mixed-use community. CHEC's plan calls for the construction of over 800 residential units, ranging from apartments and townhouses to deluxe bungalows, designed to accommodate roughly 4,000 to 4,500 residents. Community blueprint includes green spaces, recreational facilities, schools, commercial hubs, and community centers, offering a live, work, and play environment that blends urban convenience with suburban charm. Scheduled for rollout in 6 phases, the project aims to be completed by 2030, with the first phase projected for delivery in 2026. CHEC has marketed the development as not only a housing solution but also a driver of job creation, property value growth, and infrastructure improvement in St. Anne. With Jamaica facing rising housing demand, particularly along the north coast, where tourism and investment concentrate, the project positions itself as a symbol of modernization and global connectivity. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article, and I must say this development is moving quickly. Now straight ahead, where you see that green space between the two houses, those are the 2 models They have up model units for this development. So you guys can check them out. All right. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.